believe in their cause, but became the first willing to die for it. Andy Garcia, Evil and Glorious. For greater glory, rated R, now in theaters.
When you have diabetes, your doctor will say, get smart about your weight. I tried weight loss plans, but their shakes aren't always made for people with diabetes. That's why there's Glucerna Hunger Smart Shakes. They have carbs steady, with carbs that digest slowly.